I'm about to break down how he did it in just a month. Stick around, because at the end of this quick video, I'll share the one killer strategy that skyrocketed his app. Check this out. There's this app called Cal. You snap a pic of your food, and it instantly tells you all about it. Super cool, right? You can find out how many calories are in it, and it's about 90% accurate. No need to spend 15 minutes weighing your food. Sure, it's not as precise as scanning barcodes, but it works. This app gives you spot-on info just by snapping a pic of your food. Super easy and quick, right? That's exactly why people are all about it. In just 6 months, Zach Yagri took this app to a cool $1 million. This app pulls in a cool 50% profit margin each month. Sure, anyone can make it, but he really nailed it. It's all about how he marketed it. This kid was super dedicated and really went out of his way to reach out. So many health and fitness creators know one viral video can change everything. He skyrocketed his downloads by getting over 150 influencers to create videos for his app. Now, that's some serious dedication. You ever wonder why influencers can't get enough of this app? It's all thanks to Zach's genius design. It was just destined to go viral. Influencers casually feature it in their "What I Eat in a Day" videos, and their followers can't help but ask about the app. Is it because everyone's so used to spending 30 minutes tracking their food on MyFitnessPal? Seriously, how did Zach know this would actually work? He checked out calorie trackers like MyFitnessPal to see if his app idea was worth it before even building it. He found old methods frustrating, so he mixed them with new AI-like chat apps to create a way easier version. But can this kind of success really happen? Is this a long-term solution or just a quick fix? The app runs on a subscription model, $10 a month or $30 a year. Most users go for the annual plan. Subscribers often drop out after the first month of the plan. Paying that $30 upfront for the yearly plan can really pay off. Honestly, I've found myself buying apps for the whole year, and it feels like a smart move. Totally forgot about that subscription. Right, a year later, I noticed I got charged again. At that point, who's gonna bother asking for a refund over just $30? You've already paid for a whole year. And the onboarding process is super smart. When new users download the app, they're asked about their fitness goals right away. They ask about this to help potential customers see the value in paying for the app. So, what's the secret strategy that really makes it take off? He didn't just think, wow, this app is cool. He asked himself, will influencers want to share it? Will people actually use it? That's how you build something that can hit $1 million a month. Find real value in your app. If the answer isn't a clear yes, don't chase it. The takeaway? Don't build an app and then figure out how to market it. It's like cooking without a recipe. Planning a dinner for 1,000 people without knowing if anyone's even hungry. Instead, create something that you know will go viral. Need help with that? I'll help you get started.